to sing today for y'all. Hopefully you like my singing. Yay. That's not actually how I sing. Yeah. Ouch. That kinda hurt. Okay, 3, 2, 1. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it fall as I catch it rain. When I heard you screaming out my name, and my name.